Okay, the other videos, when I watched them, indicated that the battery in the camera was going low, even though from the phone, the monitor for the battery looks like it should be okay. So I'm just going to keep on moving along. Now we're going to mount the other two rings. This is the thrust block. It goes in here and it sits, just push it down until it hits the top of the engine clip. Now, this is really easy to put in. I'm not going to do the process on camera, but put a very thin layer of glue around the top edge here and then slide this in. That'll smear it along the ring. Then once it hits the bottom, you should like to go back and put a little tiny rim of glue around the very, very top just to make sure that it's very well glued in. One little trick I'm going to show you though is that after you glue that in, take a used engine and just go ahead and stick it in and spin it around a couple of times just to make sure if there's any loose globs of glue in there that it'll just basically rub onto the engine, then you can just pull it out. If you put the glue in here and a little drop falls in, sometimes even a very small tiny one, you won't get the engine in. And that happened to me on one engine mount. I could never figure out what had happened, but that's what had happened. So again, I'm going to go ahead and glue this off camera by again putting a very small layer of glue around the top. As you push this in, it's going to rest right here. And then put a very small ring around the top. And what I like to do is to use my trusty glue stick here. Just put a drop or two on the end and put it in. It makes it really easy to control the glue. So go ahead and do that. I'm going to take care of mine right now.